Wine gun. If you already have a collection of weapons, we can still find something to surprise you. For example, this gun-shaped wine opener by the company Winovation. Winovation's wine gun can open a bottle in just a few seconds. All you have to do is bring the barrel to the bottleneck and pull the trigger. The device will quickly remove the cork. Then you just need to push the trigger forward and the wine gun will get rid of the cork itself. The gun comes with a stylish charging stand that looks like a holster. The battery allows you to open over 30 bottles at a time. The manufacturer also provides a full 12-month warranty. The wine gun is available in 4 different styles. 3 of them are realistic weapon models. Customers can choose between the simulated chrome, simulated steel, black, or pink versions. Bullet bottle opener. The next device from our selection will also be useful for your home bar, but this one is made of real ammunition. Bullets to Bandages turns .50 caliber casings purchased from the US military into unique bottle openers. Since the used cartridges are covered with traces of gunpowder, they're first placed in vibratory tumblers for 2 to 4 hours. Then, a V-shaped notch is cut out in the lower part of the casing using a CNC machine. Even if it is real, the shell without a bullet doesn't look so spectacular, so the manufacturer completes each one of them with an M33 ball projectile. They also have a military past. Bullets to Bandages purchases them from companies that extract the bullets from expired ammunition. The crimping die used to secure the projectile is the same as the one used for actual ammunition. The finished product can be individually engraved, making it a great gift for gun enthusiasts. 308 Bullet Whiskey Glass. This product from Lucky Shot is definitely the coolest whiskey glass in the world. The manufacturer managed to create a glass that looks like it stopped a bullet. In fact, of course, the real copper shell is placed there by hand. You don't have to worry about durability. The glass is made of borosilicate glass, which stands out for its high resistance. Rest assured, the 7.62mm bullet shell casing will stay there for a long time. There's no reason to worry about safety either. Lucky Shot guarantees that each shell is treated specifically and contains no trace of lead or powder. The thick bottom glass itself is ideal for strong drinks. Its volume is 300 milliliters and it measures 8.9 centimeters in height and just over 7 centimeters in diameter. Bubbly Blaster. Spraying champagne at a party using your finger is boring, cliché, and inefficient. But Bubbly Blaster allows you to turn a bottle of sparkling wine into an original party cannon and shoot at guests with a jet of drink. It only takes a few seconds to start a shootout. Set the gear in the right position, snap on and flip the bottle, and as soon as you pull the trigger, the pressurized champagne will shoot into the air, at your friends or into the glasses. You can adjust the spraying power using the Bubbly Blaster both for spectacular glass filling and for firing over 9 liters. Once the drink has run out, the device can be removed from the bottle effortlessly. It can also be removed when the bottle is still full, thanks to the safe removal system. The device is available in a variety of colors and models, including a GoPro mount and smartphone mounts to capture the most amusing moments. However, the Bubbly Blaster is not only designed for fun, you can also use it as a cork to keep the drink fresh. Money gun. If you think that spraying champagne is too wasteful, that's because you haven't seen the money gun. Created with a 3D printer, this device literally throws money into the air. As you can guess from the name, the money gun shoots bills. When you pull the trigger, they start flying out from the cannon in a smooth and continuous flow. The gun is battery operated, has an ergonomic handle and a laconic design. You can load it with up to 100 bills, but you won't have to carry a pack of cash with you at all times. Fake money, bright cards or any other piece of paper will just as easily fit in the loader. According to Michael Schexnayder, the creator of the money gun, the gadget has great potential not only in the entertainment industry, but also in promotion and marketing. Elastic Precision Gun. If you want to have something more like a real weapon, these craftsmen from Kansas are here to help. Even though the guns developed by Elastic Precision only fire rubber bands, they are very good at it. The manufacturer claims that their models shoot farther, faster, and more accurately than any other rubber band gun on the market. The patented semi-automatic mechanism shoots 6 rounds in less than 2 seconds. At the same time, the process is quite simple. Pulling the trigger activates the slide, which sends the stretched rubber band flying off the holder. Elastic Precision also takes pride in the quality of its products. Each model is made of high-quality wood, more specifically, a solid piece of sugar maple or larch, and can last for years to come. But the main thing is that their wooden weapons are copies of real models. The arsenal includes the classic Colt Government M1911 handgun, a 9mm gun, a 1960s PPK, and a German MP5 submachine gun with a sliding stock. The latter is loaded with 24 rubber bands and can fire at a distance of more than 9 meters. Delta 6. You can shoot weapons not only in real life, but also in the virtual world. The only problem is that the controller or computer mouse doesn't make you really feel the experience. Delta 6 is here to fix that problem. This controller looks like a real-life gun, and it helps you immerse in the game. This is possible thanks to a range of features. When shooting, the user feels the recoil thanks to a special built-in mechanism. When the ammo runs out, instead of just pushing the button, you need to hit the magazine from below. The sighting system has also been improved. To zoom in, you need to hold your eye to the sight with an infrared sensor. To switch to hand-to-hand combat mode, the player will have to make certain movements with a controller. Thus, Delta 6 allows you to get the most control over the game in first-person shooters. Another important advantage of the device is its versatility. It's compatible with the Xbox, PS3, PC, VR, AR, PS4, Xbox One, and is one of the few controllers on the market that can be used with multiple consoles. Bug Assault. This gadget can turn your battle against insects in your house into a real hunt. Forget about newspapers or fly swatters. Bug Assault allows you to target unwanted guests up to 1 meter away. Regular salt is used as ammunition, so you'll always have bullets at hand. The device spends the salt pretty efficiently too. A fully loaded compartment will be enough for about 80 shots. The manufacturer claims that soft-bodied insects have no chance against Bug Assault. The gun is excellent, not only against flies, but also against venomous spiders, stink bugs, cockroaches, moths, and mosquitoes. For even more accurate shooting, the gadget is equipped with a laser sight. For safety reasons though, the gun has an auto safety feature. Surprisingly, Bug Assault operates like a classic shotgun without batteries. Spyro 1. In a water shootout, the owner of the Spyro 1 will always win. Its patent-pending valve nozzle technology makes this water gun fast, accurate, and powerful. The gadget shoots single shots of 30 milliliters of water at a distance of up to 7.5 meters. At the same time, the force of the shot allows the projectile not to disperse into small drops and retains its shape throughout the flight. Unlike similar devices, the Spyro 1 doesn't need to be pumped up either. It holds the pressure from the first shot until the tank is empty. Its volume is enough for 25 shots, and you can refill it at any time. Just walk to the water source, push a button, and the Spyro 1 will automatically fill the tank in just 14 seconds. The digital display shows you how many shots you have left and the battery level. The gun is powered by a battery that provides up to 1,125 pulls of the trigger when fully charged. Nerf Hyperfire Blaster. Finally, we want to tell you about a super high-speed toy machine gun from Nerf. The blaster has a spacious 25-dart drum and can discharge it in just 5 seconds. In order to switch to accelerated firing mode, just push the right button. The drum is easy to remove, so even a small child can recharge the gun. The Nerf Hyperfire Blaster is absolutely safe to shoot as well. Special soft darts are used as projectiles. They don't leave any marks even from a short distance. At the same time, they have excellent aerodynamics, flying up to 21 meters. Other features include an ergonomic handle, which prevents sliding and provides additional comfort in combat. The automatic blaster runs on 4 standard batteries. Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.